I found it on Twitter the other day. What is the problem with this SQL table? Let's take a look. So we have an order items table with 4 columns. We have the order ID, we have the product ID, we have the product name, we have the product price. But there's a problem in this table. The problem is redundancy. If you look at row 1 and row 2, the product ID is 101 for both. It's an iPhone, it costs 1,000. That information, that product name and product price information is repeated every single time that order appears in, that product rather, appears in an order. Say you have 500 orders that include an iPhone. That means you would have to store the word iPhone and the number 1,500 different times in your database. That's wasted space. But the wasted space is not even the real problem. The real problem is what happens when the price of the iPhone changes. You now have to update every single row that contains that product. If you miss one, now your database has conflicting information. Your row number, say 47, will tell you that iPhone cost 1,000, and maybe another row, say row number 312, will tell you that iPhone cost 999. You don't know which one is right, you don't know which one is wrong, and that is what we call an update anomaly. So what is the solution to this problem? The solution is to separate your data into 2 different tables. You have a product table that stores product ID, product name, product price once, and then you have an orders table that stores order ID and product ID. The product ID becomes a foreign key that links back to the product table. So now the product name and the product price live in one single place. You update it once and that's it. If you want to change it, you go to change it in that one single place. Now, every order that has that product will now reference that product automatically from the product table and would have the correct information because you are calling information from one single source. This is called database normalization. Specifically, this, our initial table, violates the second normal form. And this is exactly why understanding database relationships matter. If you don't know database relationships and all of this is just flying over your head, I have a full video on YouTube that you can watch.